I want to share this solution I came up with for a Drupal content type I called feature page that has a hero banner. I'm viewing this in dark mode, but my theme also supports light mode. My hero banner is an SDC. Here in my components library, which is part of the UI Suite module collection, you can see my hero right here. And here's our visuals. We can have a vertical or a horizontal. We have a couple different styles. Now over here, you can see my SDC directory for this hero component. Here's my YAML. I'm using post-CSS. I've got a few stories here. And here's my twig. I wanted to create some conditional functionality for this hero banner where it's included on this feature page content type. So I created my hero banner component and I included it in my custom node twig template. I'll show you in more detail as we go along. Now if I edit this page, you can see that I have this option for hero heading displays page title. So if I have this checked, then my node label, my page title here, is going to display inside of my hero banner. And then the hero heading will be disabled. So I can turn that on and off. Now if I turn it off, you'll notice that this text is displayed in addition to our node label down here. Sometimes we have content creators who want the page title to display nice and big inside of the hero, but sometimes they want the page title to be separate and they want the hero to be some additional content. So I wanted them to be able to make a choice there. So over here in my twig template for this feature page content type, I have an article wrapper. And here's my header section of my page. I'm using BEM CSS here. And the node header contains both the hero banner and the page title or the node label. So first, I'm including my hero banner with this condition: hero heading displays page title. And in order to make this a little bit more challenging, I'm doing an atomic layering of my components. I've got a title component here that's nesting inside of my hero component. And the content of my title component is my node label. And then we don't need to display the node label in addition to that. In this case, we are done. Otherwise, if the hero component does not display the page title, then we need to display the page title first on the page because it is our H1, so it needs to be semantically first. And then we follow that with our hero content. And there's the slot for the hero content if it's not displaying the node label. Typically, we want our hero banners to be the first thing that displays on the page. So we need to make sure that our H1 right here is semantically first, even when we have this hero banner that does not display that H1. And that's what we have here. We have our H1 followed by our hero. And we do this with CSS. Here is my post-CSS file for my node, and I'm using BEM, so here is that header section, and I'm going to do display flex and flex direction, column reverse. And that ensures that even though semantically this will appear first, my page title, the banner will be visually first. This is on GitHub under this public repo I created. It's the skeleton theme. You can find my hero under components here if you'd like to take a look at that. And then you can also look under templates, node, and you'll find my feature page here, and you can take a look at how I've done my includes. The feature page also uses the paragraphs module to provide custom layout rows for the content creator, so they can create rows and add columns to it, and there's several components that I've implemented as paragraph types that they can insert into those columns, as you see right here. I hope it's been helpful looking at this experimental theme and this solution I came up with, and I'd love to know what kind of interesting solutions that you've created for your content editors in Drupal.